Hey guys, long time no see. Well, we are separated. We're doing this online, and this is a test drive before I really wanted to do it. But all of the materials of the book are online. The only thing that you were missing for a while was the quizzes, which I pretty much put all at once, and I'm going to be filling them up. So don't feel like you have to do all of these quizzes at once. The first quiz that we're going to start with, performance quiz, is up and down the staircase to the basement on 2. So on my edition of the book is page 11. You might have it on page 12 or 13. But it's the one where you are locking your thumb on the 6th string and you're strumming down, right? So if you mute, you're just going to be doing this. I go down with index and middle, and I come back with the index, right? Right. And so there is an accompaniment that goes with this. There's a melody that goes with it. And for this, we're going to use the software GarageBand, which is freely available to anybody. And I'm going to create a track, and you are going to accompany that track. And so I'm going to basically switch over to GarageBand real quick. Now that we're here, I'm going to show you what I did. I created a new track, and this track on top is the main melody. And this is the one that you're going to hear, and you're going to accompany with your guitar. Now here is my rendition of the accompaniment. I'm going to share it with you so you can have it as a rubric. You can use it. You can mute one. You can set one to headphones and while you record your own version. But eventually I want you to delete this and I want you to record this again, but doing it yourself. Now, how do you create your own track? Just hit the plus. This is GarageBand, by the way. If you have never used it, it comes with every Mac. And if you get a PC, you can download it for free. So there's no cost to this. Now you create add track. You're going to choose microphone over here, okay? If you have a special mic, make sure that you choose the right microphone, right? So I have this microphone called a hype mic. Or otherwise, you can set it to basically the device setting, right? System setting, or MacBook Pro microphone, okay? So we're going to create this track. And so that things sound more uniform, I suggest that you select the track and you choose acoustic guitar. What I've chosen is this natural stereo. All right? Now notice one thing here, the volume is a lot lower than the melody. Since you're doing accompaniment, you want to keep this very low, otherwise it's going to clip. And what I mean by clipping is you're going to get too loud on your attacks. So you want to lower the volume so that it does not get in the way of the melody. So you're going to grab this and lower it to about there. Okay? And as you record, it's very important that you set these guys to headphones, right? So click on that. Notice how that changes a bit. You're going to click on this. This one is muted, by the way. You can mute this one, or you can put it also on headphones. Totally up to you. You can practice if you want with this, mute that one. And just practice with this one to just make sure that your strumming is together with me. Eventually you're going to, like I said, delete this and create your own version. Or you can do it together with me and delete my version. I'm going to hit record, right? And so I'm going to say, this is David recording, and I boom, 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 bada boom, bada boom. Okay, let's just say that I just recorded that. That was together with the accompaniment version, right? Notice that the top one was muted. Let's say that I want to practice the other way around. So I unmute this one and I want to mute the accompaniment. Let's just say that I feel good about doing that. I'm going to move the cursor over to the beginning. Click on this and delete that, and I'm going to record again, right? So here I go. And you're going to hear this time the melody. And here we go. 1, 2, this is David. 3, and 4, and 1. Boom, bada, boom, 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 bada, boom, 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 boom. Okay. With the space bar, you stop. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I don't need it. Now, the end result should sound something like this. Now, I'm going to unmute both of those. I'm not going to need this track. Let's just say that this is the track that was mine, that yours is now being moved up. You can actually drag those up and down as you want. So now that you got your track, you're going to just click on this and you're going to delete that track. So let's just hear them both. I'm going to take them both out of headphones, unmute that, and I'm going to just play. And it should sound like that. Notice that I do count you in, right? Make sure you say your name as I am counting you in, okay? And this is David. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, I hope that makes sense and that you have a lot of fun doing this. The cool thing about having this with you is that you can do it over and over and over again until you master it. And you can go ahead and upload your submission onto the assignment. You can put any kind of files and I will get it, I will listen to it, and you'll get your grade. Have fun.